Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn off dark mode on X, formerly Twitter. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen, and after that at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, there is a small icon of dark mode. Click on it and here you can just switch it to off, and like that the dark mode is turned off on your X app. But you should know that this option is no more available on iPhones. So for iPhones, X app will always follow the theme of your phone. So if your phone is on dark mode, the X app will be on dark mode, and if your phone is on light mode, the X app will be also in or on light mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.